Hello guys, today we are doing a model train haul so far, so let's get started. So this locomotive started my HL train collection, and this one's my favorite locomotive. You could see the details on it look sick. And I might get another SV45, but it's gonna be non-powered or something like that, so yeah. Next is the Santa Fe F78. So I mistakenly got this powered one instead of a dummy, cause I thought this one's pretty good, but I realized this is powered because it feels kind of heavy than the FP45. So yeah, but hey, this one's also powered, and the company of it is Model Power. I got the box for it. And yeah, you could like see some red painting in there. Probably. It doesn't matter anyway. So, this one is a pretty unique locomotive. And yeah, I'm planning to get some track and maybe a model train set so I could power this engine up. Now, let's go for the Santa Fe GP38-2 3500. So I think this one's a lifelike proto locomotive, and it has no couplings, and it has some broken pieces over here. I got the train parts for it, but I don't want to like fix it. But I think this one's like a dummy or powered. I don't know. This looks very good. Now, let's go to my most favorites so far. The Santa Fe SD40-2. You can tell this looks a little bit better than the one in trains. And it has no horn. But however, there is a removable cap. I don't know why there was a removable cap, but there's a removable cap too for the Lifelike Proto 3500, but it won't come off because of the railings. And yes, this one's like has no railing, so that's why the cap popped off. You know, it looks very weird without the cap, but it's cool too because I can make this as a scrap unit, but I'm not gonna make it for some reason. So yeah, maybe I could like repaint this to a Southern Pacific, but I've seen some tutorials and they look pretty hard. So yeah. So this is my whole HL train collection. I'll probably get more on the way to Reno. Anyways, ask me some questions before I could go Reno and the Golden Spike weekend for the Skogo and Clover Valley doubleheader or something like that. Yeah. Maybe I could like go to the San Jose train show next year so I could get like more dummy trains or something. So yeah, that's it.